Here's my review of the 9-speed KitchenAid handheld mixer. I've had it for 8 years and I can truly say it stood the test of time. These are all the attachments that come with the mixer. This is to whip, these are to mix, these are to knead, and this one is to blend. These two are my favorite attachments and I use them all the time to mix cake, any kind of a batter that is not too tough. In order to insert the attachment, make sure that the ring on the attachment matches to the ring of the insert. In order to remove the attachments, press right here and the attachments come out. Another one of my favorite features is this band that holds the cord together. Honestly, it really keeps everything tidy and in place. Right now I'm going to show you how to operate the speed setting. I will plug it in and turn the switch to the left. It will start rolling at speed number 1. In order to raise the speed, we press the arrow up. In order to lower the speed, we press the arrow down. In order to turn it off, we switch the switch to the right. As for the cord, you can pivot in any direction that you need it to, the left or the right, and it locks into place.